Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. So today we're looking at a product by TP-Link that I purchased from Amazon. It is the TP-Link Deco E4 Wi-Fi mesh system. So for a while we've had pretty bad Wi-Fi in our house because our phone socket is actually in the kitchen. We've actually got two phone sockets, one in the front room which is inactive and the one in the kitchen which is active. So I contacted our provider, our ISP provider, to see if we can actually get the one in the front room switched on and the one in the kitchen deactivated, and they were asking for quite a large fee to get that done. So in the end I thought about, well, I did purchase an extender thinking that would help with the situation, but it wasn't good enough because it would only reach half of the house, and in the bedroom, for example, we couldn't even stream Netflix, and I believe Netflix you only need 2 megabits per second, and it kept buffering and then cutting off, then buffering. So I had a look on Amazon. There's quite a few Wi-Fi mesh systems on Amazon, but I decided on the brand TP-Link. I've used TP-Link in the past, and they've been pretty reliable, and they tend to be quite good value for money as well. And the great thing about this Wi-Fi mesh system is that you get 3 nodes. So one connects to the actual modem, and then you can place the other 2 around the house. And how it works is that it works as one seamless connection. So as you're moving, say, from the kitchen upstairs to the bedroom, you don't lose that connection, and you can't actually tell when it's actually connecting to the node upstairs, which is fantastic. So the great thing about this TP-Link mesh system was that it usually retails for about £100 to £110, but I managed to get them for £85, and which I thought was great value. And you could actually connect up to 100 devices to the actual system. It also had some great features such as parental controls. So I've got kids, so that is one important feature that I found very useful, where you can limit their usage on time, put like parental bars on so they can't access certain websites. So these are the kind of things that a lot of parents would be looking for and would find useful. So what do you get inside the box? So inside the box you get the 3 Deco units, which TP-Link refer to them in the manual as nodes. You get 3 power adapters, you get 1 Ethernet cable, and you also get a quick installation guide. Yeah, so each node is about 7.5 inches tall, and each device has an LED indicator on the top, which is used for setting up, and it's also used for diagnostics. So like if you lose connection, the LED on the top goes red. When it's during the setup process, it also pulses. It pulses like a light green color, and also these LEDs can actually be switched off. On the actual nodes itself, on each node, you get 2 Ethernet ports, which supports up to 100 megabits per second. And you also get a power port, which you plug the power adapter into in the bottom, and it's got a little kind of notch on the side, so you can tuck the cable underneath, and so when it's standing up it looks quite neat. So the setup process was pretty straightforward. So I connected one of the nodes to my main router via the Ethernet cable, and then you'll have to set up the actual network. Is done through the Deco app, which is straightforward. It supports both iOS and Android. Only took a couple of minutes, and the great thing is once you're setting it up, like the one in the kitchen you can label kitchen, one in the bedroom, etc. Pretty straightforward, and like I said, it can connect up to 100 devices. So once everything's been set up, you can create individual profiles for family members, and like I said before, you can actually set up parental controls, so you can set up time limits for the kids or for certain devices. So this TP-Link device does support beamforming, and how beamforming works is it focuses a signal in a specific direction, and that delivers a higher signal to that supported device. So if you have, say, a laptop or a game console, then you can focus and boost that signal for an hour, say. So it also supports a feature called QoS, which is quality of service, and what this does, it allows you to prioritize traffic. So the most important traffic can pass through first. This can be quite a good feature, especially if you have like your internet broadband speeds are 250 megabits per second or less. Then you can create a dynamic QoS, and this is particularly important if you tend to stream or if you game. But if you have like a gigabit internet, then it wouldn't really benefit you, because your speeds will be more than adequate enough for streaming or gaming. Yeah, and it also supports Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Had a little play around with it, but a lot of the features that it does support with, say, I could have a Amazon Echo, it didn't really benefit me, and I found it was actually quicker to use the app. So we've had this mesh Wi-Fi system set up for a few weeks now. It's been going great. I've definitely noticed the benefits of my Wi-Fi speeds in the house. More than capable of streaming in a bedroom, where we was having problems before. In the front room, can stream in my office where I'm now, and my speeds now actually a lot faster than what I was obtaining before. So the big question is, would I recommend this to yourselves, to my friends, to my family? Definitely, because it is truly affordable. It's got great features, and I definitely would recommend it to yourselves and to my family friends. So if you do have a similar system like this set up at home, or you're looking for something along the lines, something similar to this mesh system, or you are using it currently, leave your comments in the bottom comments below, and I'll read them and I'll reply, and I'll try and do my best to reply to every comment. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you very shortly in the next one.